Hi everyone. So I just wanted to show you what happens when you don't put a tomato cage around your tomato plant. So I had an extra cherry tomato plant in this spring that I didn't want to throw away, and so I thought I'd just put it in this little 4x4 raised garden bed and just kind of see what it did. And so I had a little extra of this old fence panel, and I thought I'd just put that around it to keep the groundhogs and squirrels and that kind of stuff out. But this is what happened. So you can see that tomatoes are definitely vining, and that they just will take over. This thing is so productive, and it's been so much fun to have. It's just been great, and the tomatoes are great, and they're just like the perfect little mouthful. So this is what can happen. All right, so don't give up on your garden, and yeah, thanks for watching.